quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. Success is 99% failure. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. Money doesn't make us anyway, it just unmasks us. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience and ability. To see a thing clearly in the mind makes it begin to take form. As long as we look to legislation to cure poverty or to abolish special privilege, we are going to see poverty and special privileges growing. Everything comes to him who hustles while he waits. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. Money is like an arm or leg, use it or lose it. Thanks for watching.